Hi everyone! I'm making the first video for the Quickies with Lisa page and to explain why I made it. So I hate videos that are 20-30 minutes long, and the answer you need within them is 15 or 18-20 minutes in. Get your ball! Sorry, my dog's trying to play with me. So the videos will be very focused on specific topics. I won't be covering multiple topics. It will also have tips and tricks in there, as well as topics that cover really common AutoCAD errors and how to fix them. So I've been doing AutoCAD for about 15 years now, working, and I learned AutoCAD about 17 years ago now. Scary. So I hope you like this page, and hopefully the videos help you. If you have any topics you want me to cover, let me know in comments on any of the videos. Thanks.